Achieving an equal future in a COVID-19 world, we must continue to advocate for women's representation that reflects all women and girls in our diversity and abilities, and also all cultural, social, economic, and political situations. That is the only way we will get real societal change that incorporates women in decision making as equals and benefits us all. Therefore, I, Rahama Sadau, is committed to choose, to challenge and to call out inequality. Happy International Women's Day.